All right, I am on journal page 67. It says strategies for estimating. Okay, Rosa makes an estimate for the addition problem below. She uses numbers that are close to the numbers in the problem, but are easier to use. So she doesn't use exact numbers, but ones that are close and ones that she knows how to add or subtract or use in whichever way. 322. I see that she rounded this 10, right, that 2, down. 2 is 4 or less, so we let it rest. So she changed it to 320. She looked at the ones place again. She's rounding the 10. 7 is 5 or more, so she raised the score. The 8 became a 9. Now she knows how to do 320 plus 490, and she got 810. So explain Rosa's thinking to a partner. We kind of just explained it together. You can explain it to someone around you or a pet or a stuffed animal. And for number 2, that bottom part says make a different estimate. What close but easier numbers could you use? Write a number sentence in the thought bubble below to show your thinking. Well, Rosa rounded to the tens place. So we can't round to the tens place. That's not showing anything different. And we can't round to the ones place because there's nothing before the ones. That means you will have to round these numbers to the hundreds place. So 322 becomes what hundred? Plus 487 becomes what 100, and then equals. And I know my answer is going to be hundreds if I round to my hundreds. So figure that out in your cloud below, your thought bubble, and send that to your teacher.